Welcome back to my channel. This is Console Onyekwere once again. Yes, this airdrop that we are having here on this video, one good thing about this airdrop is that you don't have to wait for the TGE, the listing dates, before you can actually sell out your tokens. You can sell it off on their P2P section. Okay, so the name of this airdrop is Metadata. Is actually a wallet. Now, if you want to register, you can check the description section of this video. So immediately you click on that link, it will then tell you to download their wallet or their app, and after downloading you are then expected to fill a form. After filling that form and registering, it will then take you to this place, this particular interface. That's after you have opened the app. Okay, now the first thing you have to do, the first thing that you have to do is to complete your KYC, as it is very important. That is the first thing you have to do. Now, for you to complete your KYC, this is where you are going to click. This is the place that you are going to click, this icon here that is showing MEID. That is the first place that you are going to click. After clicking on it, you are going to do your KYC. This is what is going to be required for your KYC. It's just your face. They don't need any ID card or any thing of sorts. Just your face. They are going to tell you to hold your camera on your face and then shift your face, and all that. So that is all you just have to do. After doing this, using my link alone to register, they are going to give you a bonus of 1 MEC, and 1 MEC is worth $4. Yes, it's worth 4 point something dollars, not even $4. It's worth 4 point something dollars. And then for each referral that you make, you get 0.1 MEC. 0.1 MEC. So that means if you are able to get up to 10 referrals, you have already made 1 MEC, and 1 MEC is worth 4 point something dollars. Okay, now after you might have registered with my link and they have given you your 1 MEC, you can actually stake this MEC. Okay, so this is how you are going to earn by staking. You just click here. If you click on it, you then click on go to stake. Let's click on go to stake. Now I'm going to advise you always stake on the flexible term, because the flexible term is going to give you 25%. But this is the good thing about the flexible term. The flexible term, you can actually cash out your money anytime that you want it. But if you go and fix it, if you go and deposit on the fixed term, they are going to give you a higher percentage, which is 50%. But the bad thing here is that you cannot withdraw your money anytime that you want it, except the given days is over. Maybe if you staked for 60 days, you cannot actually withdraw until the 60 days is over. But if you stake on the flexible term, and maybe you happen to put it 60 days, and maybe there's a matter of urgency and you want to withdraw, you can withdraw at any time, even if that 60 days is not over. Okay, so that is all you have to know about the staking aspect. Now, the second way to earn on this platform is the check-in, the daily check-in. So this is how you actually check in. You click on it. If you click on it, you are going to see a write-up here. This is a write-up, and they are also going to duplicate it here, but one word is going to be missing. So you can see here, you can see this line here: maintain ecological balance to promote. Whereas look at here, maintain ecological dash to promote. So this balance here, I'm going to type it here. Okay, so I'm just going to type balance, and then after typing balance, I then click here on chain check-in. Okay, so you can see a message here which says confirmation details. I'll just click on confirm, and then I'll put in my password. Okay, so you can see over here, congratulations, check-in successful. Okay, see the message here, check-in successful. And then another thing another thing, let me tell you another thing. If you click here, which is check in, you can see check in day 1, that's 1D. So if you click on it right now, there is a huge gift that they will give if you keep on checking in for the next 25 days. I'm just checking in for the first day. So for the next 25 days, if I keep on checking in, they are going to give me some free points. Okay, they are going to give me some free points. So is there any other thing I'll have to tell you on this airdrop? Except from that, you can actually send, you can actually receive on this space. So you can actually sell, even if you don't want to sell through their P2P, you can also sell it off by sending to somebody directly through their address. Okay, sending to somebody through their address. So this is the best time for you to accumulate more and more points right on this space. After accumulating points, I am going to tell you how you can make use of their P2P and how you can sell it off. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a like, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't, and you can also join our social handles via the links on the description section of this video. That is our WhatsApp and also our Telegram handle, so you can join us so that you are not going to miss out on any updates. I love you guys, and I know that you guys can do this. Make sure you are going to take this update very, very serious. Okay, so if you encounter any problem, maybe during your KYC or any of that, you can always drop a comment right on the comment section. I'm always available to attend to your query. Thank you, and see you in my next video.